Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I made this gorgeous hairstyle that you are seeing now. So if it's something that you're really interested in, please keep on watching. So first of all, I'll start by sectioning the hair. I'll part the hair from the back to the front, just like I normally do. Okay, before I want to start any form of braiding, I like parting the hair firstly so that I will not at the end of the day make mistake. So I'll part the hair from the back to the front, and after parting the hair I counted it and I was getting a total of 12 patterns. Okay, so the number of hairs I'll be making in this hair, the number of braids I'll get is 12. To be 12. So just watch the video to see how I parted the hair before we now proceed. Yeah, I'm done with passing the hair, and I got a total of 12 patterns on the hair. So I will now proceed. I will now move over to the next section, which is braiding the hair, and I'll be using an extension for it, purple color. That's what I will use for the hairstyle. Okay, so first of all, I'll bring out the portion of the hair. I'll bring out the portion of the extension that I want, and this method I use the easiest form of buzz braiding, which is tying the root of the hair with some extension before I finally braid it down. I use this method because I know that there are some beginners that will still watch this video, okay? So that was why I used this method. So I firstly brought out the extension that I needed for the braiding process, and I divided it into two parts, one big part and one small part. So I now use the smaller part for the tying, as in I now use the smaller part to tie the root of the hair. Then after tying it, I now added the bigger part, okay, to braid to braid it down. Okay, you understand what I mean? I just divided the extension into two equal parts, the one small one and one big one. So I now used the smaller one to tie the root of the hair. Then I now used the bigger one. I now joined the bigger one just as shown in the video to braid it all down. It's just a very simple method of braiding. Okay. I chose this method because I know that some beginners will still watch this video, so that everything will be very easy for them to understand. Okay, so just watch the video, you will understand better. Yeah, I'm done with the braiding process. I've braided the whole hair down. um we are now moving over to the next section, which is the main reason why we gather here today. After braiding the hair down, we now fold it the way you are seeing in the video now. You first of all hold the hair and wrap it all around itself into a bantu knot, okay, just as shown in the video. Then you now use your needle and thread to hold it down, okay, to hold it together so that it will not unravel. But if you want to carry this hairstyle for a very long time, you use your needle and thread to hold it together so that it will not unravel. But if it is a hairstyle that you just want to, maybe you braided your hair like a scanty hair like this, and you've been carrying it, so you wanted to put it into a new look, you don't need to use your needle and your thread to hold it together, okay? If you know fully well that after putting the hair into a new look, maybe you want to attend an occasion or something like that, that if you come back, you still unfold the hair, unravel the hair, then you don't need a needle and thread to hold it. But if you know that it is something that you wear for a very long time, then after putting the hair into a bantu knot like this one, then you now use your needle and the thread to hold it together so that it will not unravel. Okay, that's just all. After holding it together with your needle and your thread, there is no more work to be done on the hair. We are just done with everything, and that is it. It's just a very simple hairstyle that you can make under 30 minutes. Okay, it will not even reach 30 minutes. We are all done with everything. So let me know in the comment section below if you'll be trying out this hairstyle. Okay, so I'm done with everything, and look at how gorgeous the hair is. So thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next one. Do have a lovely day. Bye.